Today I want to share how to take an old drawer and transform it into something for home decor and organization. Really easy DIYs. For my first DIY, I was really happy to find this discarded drawer that somebody did not want and had thrown it away. I brought it home. It is well structured. The thing is, the base is not so good. The layer of plywood is peeling off. Otherwise, the construction is good. So I removed the first layer of the plywood. The rest of it was good. Then I cleaned it well and gave it 3 coats of white paint, and it started to look good. Now, as there was no knob here and I was not sure how to use it, so I just took a piece of red plastic lid, which was like a label shape, and added some greenery and some berry to give it that festive look, because I did this in winter, and I glued it in place of the knob and it became a drawer organizer or a drawer tray. And I think it looked nice holding the festive decor here. It was even used as an organizer tray to hold different items in it. My today's video is part of the Flipping Friday challenge hosted by Jamie from the channel Border Bananas and Border Bananas DIY. All the links are given in my description box. For my second DIY, well, I was soon bored of using it as a tray, and so I decided to make a shelf because I needed one. So I removed the backside of it because it was really in a bad shape, and then gave this whole thing 2 fresh coats of white chalk paint to make it look fresher and newer. Then I took a pretty floral printed paper and I glued it over a piece of plywood of the same size as that of the backside of this drawer. And then I glued everything together and even added few fine nails to hold things together sturdily. Then, using some picture hanging hardware, small ones, I attached it at the back of the drawer and it was ready to hang as a shelf on my wall. I even went ahead and used the same pretty paper to make a mini banner for this. It was really a cute touch to this and is great for craft rooms, kids' rooms, or just to liven up and make a place cheerful. And I added this little banner at the bottom edge of this drawer because you will see that this has a little overhanging wooden edges which does not look so neat. So I just covered this edge with this pretty banner, and the shelf is ready to hold a few decor items, few items of everyday requirement. I had used some detergent soap labeled mason jar with it because I needed it next to my laundry room. So this shelf turned out beautiful as well as useful. If you love to do DIY and craft, that too within budget, and are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and to press that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Let's move on to the third DIY. I am ready with another makeover with this drawer. Now I took it down from the wall, cleaned it. I'm not going to remove this base. This is going to be the base or the background of my current DIY as well. It will again be a shelf. Now one can paint it, but that's a more likely to be a permanent thing. I wanted a temporary arrangement. I might get bored again and want to refreshen it up again. So I'm using a cardstock paper and I measured the depth and the background and I've cut them into sizes. It's something like lining up a cake tin, something people used to do while baking. I still do line my cake tins well. I'm just lining it up with the strips of this maroon cardstock paper on the drawer walls, inside walls only. And I'm just using some PVA glue to hold this paper in place. I haven't added glue all over it because I don't want to spend a lot of energy when I want to revamp this drawer or shelf according to the decor of the room. So I'm just dabbing on few points so that this paper holds well. Now just to help it stick to this dryer while it's drying, I'm just using some clothespin to hold this paper in place. So just like lining up any cake tin, first I lined up all the walls. And then I fixed in the base of this or the background of this dryer. And once it was neatly done, it's almost done. But remember, I told you that there are these overhanging edges which really do not look good. So this time I just took a strip of this maroon cardstock paper and I'm going to glue it just below this, just covering those overhanging edges to make it look neater, just like an outline to a painting. And I think it's looking good. So once dried, it's ready to put on the shelf. When you are using light decor item, it shows up really well if the background is dark. Similarly, if you have darker items to put on the shelf, to have a white background or a brighter background helps. So I just wanted to add some light or the white color decor items on the shelf because the room decor in this room is where I'm going to hang the shelf is in warmer tones, so this color goes really well and the decor looks really beautiful. I'm happy with this new fresh look of the shelf and it looks wonderful in my room. This shelf, this drawer will get many more makeovers I think in future, so make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell on for many such ideas on DIYs, decor, craft, everything within budget with recycle ideas coming up in future. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, put down your comments, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay positive, be creative and be happy. Thank you everybody.